Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to operate the Binance app. First, download the official Binance application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, you'll need to register for an account and complete the identity verification, also known as KYC, which typically takes a few minutes. After verification, you can fund your account using methods like bank transfer, debit card, or peer-to-peer trading, with minimum deposits often starting around $10. To buy cryptocurrencies, tap the Buy Crypto button on the home screen and choose your preferred payment method. For more advanced trading, navigate to the Trade section, where you can execute spot trades with various order types like limit or market orders. Selling is just as straightforward. Use the Sell Crypto feature or convert your assets back to fiat currency through the trading interface, typically incurring a small fee of about 0.1%. The Wallet section provides a comprehensive overview of your asset holdings and their current value. Here, you can track your portfolio's performance and manage individual cryptocurrencies. Explore the Earn features to potentially grow your assets through staking, savings, or liquidity farming, which can offer annual percentage yields ranging from 1% to over 10%. Don't forget to set price alerts for your favorite coins to stay informed about market changes. Account security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to protect your funds. Regularly review your security settings, including withdrawal whitelisting and anti-phishing codes, to ensure maximum protection against unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, the in-app customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, offering assistance through chat or frequently asked questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.